Right, this is Ollie's new project. You can let me know what you think. If you think it was a bad buy, I'm not filming them, don't worry. Or do you think it was a good project to get on to? No?
Looks like it's been sat in a field for about 7 months.
Yep.
It was about a pub fitter shop.
Oh. Very. See this, it says, rust is lighter than carbon fibre. That's true to fact. Look, the boot. See? Bumper falling off it.
Brake period, oh my. There's no fucking brakes on it.
No brakes.
I can't hardly do that thing.
More rust. No wheel studs, they're all gone. Paint, lock it off here. Never even cleaned the car up. Look at it. Look, show you that. Been sitting in a field alright. Look. I'll take you round to the front to show you the front.
It's not private, that's a good number, you know. If you were to buy that number, you could say £500
Now, bumper hanging off.
Well, I'll have a look. I'll have a look online and see what's wrong with this number.
And you go.
NUSS.
You can tell me if you want them to do this project or scrap it. Closed now. Bye.
Well, here we go. Blown exhaust. First thing noticed. Bumper. Wheels are fucked. Some of the scenery's attached to it. I think she's been sat in a field. Greenery's free. Two arches. Still the other side is patched. Exhaust. Got lichen growing on this window. Rocker gaskets leaking with the looks at. Cam belt was done at 81,000. Ah, it's the oil. Petrol lights on, 131,000. It's the original Vauxhall stereo. Temperature gauge not working, got a dream catcher in it. Got some stuff on the floor, not sure what that's all about, but still down here. Brake pad, one of the brake pads fell out here. One of the brake pads fell out a bit. It's got a good oil leak. Yeah. Ah, that's the oil leak. Been leaking oil for a while.
She never said that.
Hold that for me. Still recording.
Hmm?
I'm still recording.
Yeah.
How was your fingers not in the way?
It's not.
That wing's knackered. Other wing's knackered on the other side. I'll let you make a decision on it, I'm sure. Back box is knackered. I think it's going to be a whole case of an exhaust right the way through. I don't know. Anything's doable. I'll probably try and go back to. It's supposed to be a GLS. Try and get it back to our original wheels. According to the check I did on it, it is a GLS. That's the check. Yep, Cavalier GLS. Grey in colour. 1700 injection. Let's take the whole bumper off. See what's amiss in there. I'm missing a fog light. Maybe one of the boys can help me there. I think that's the least of my worries right now though. Round here, wing's knackered. Go down, right, that's it. Round the front, the bumper mounts are. And of course, arcs back here. So, oh well, we can take it from there. Have a wonderful time. Leave comments and suggestions in the usual place, or catch me in the live chat. Have a laugh at me. Right, see you in a bit.